अच्छा गन्नम स्टाइल ना सोलर ही was.
Hello, people. This is your host Nikita from K-pop High India, and welcome back to another K-High video. Today, we're starting a new experiment, a new segment actually. As most of us are stuck at home, and so am I have decided that finally I'm going to convert my brother into a K-pop fanboy. Yes. So, we're going to do multiple episodes. With each episode, we'll be reacting to different artists, also trying different things like Korean food, Korean fashion. Guys, this is going to be a long journey, but one step at a time. I want to see that is this experiment going to come true? You know how they say charity begins at home? Exactly. I hope you guys join me on this journey. It's going to be tough because he is not aware of K pop. And I want to take this opportunity of being stuck with him to actually teach him something useful. Well, I'm really excited. So, shall we have the subject here, please?
Hi.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you excited?
Yes.
How much about K pop do you already know?
थोड़ा ही बहुत आई डोंट नो मच मतलब आई डोंट लिसन टू के पॉप म्यूजिक सॉरी I mean, I've worked on multiple videos, multiple reaction videos. We shot many things.
You've actually worked for the VAV concert as well.
VAV concert, yeah.
But he still doesn't know about K-pop.
VAV concert का actually I like that song. Which song का?
वो Intuit है जिसका तुम्हें गाना बहुत पसंद है.
हाँ
Snapshot.
तो बस मेरी यही नॉलेज है कि मेरा VAV कॉन्सर्ट में इंटूइट का फेवरेट गाना बन जाता है और मुझको बस इतना ही पता है. लेकिन मेरा जो फेवरेट है वो है ब्लैक पिंक.
So when did you listen about Blackpink?
ऑब्वियसली तुम्हारे थ्रू तुमने कोई गाना चल रहा होगा बैकग्राउंड पे वही मैंने सुना और क्या कहते हैं सुनने में भी और देखने में भी एक दोनों अच्छे थे.
So, thankfully for your comfort, we are starting with Blackpink.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
I think that's perfect.
Yeah. Your life is about to change.
3,
Play.
2, 1, play.
Don't hide your face. This is Jenny.
Jenny.
So she's a rapper, vocalist, both.
Okay. So मतलब they have different roles for each member, yeah?
Alisa, rapper.
Alisa.
Lalisa.
Lalisa.
That's a full name.
Kursi.
Jisoo, vocalist and main visual. Like
Visual?
a face.
Okay. ऐसा भी.
Rose.
Oh, she's
Rose.
good.
Vocalist.
It's like कि मैं पहली बार सुन रहा हूँ but I'm just vibing it with it कि मतलब पहले ही से कि let's sing with
The rapper.
I like rap. You know that.
Nice. Why are you laughing at her face?
Who waste price यार. Okay, they want to yellow but there's a still looking for.
They do have a lot of English lyrics, so I think it must be
it doesn't
easier for
sound
you.
like
I've become numb to crying. This is me.
मतलब the lyrics are different in the video and the visuals and the beats, everything.
So that was
Nice. What I was saying कि the lyrics, when you look at the lyrics, I was smiling throughout the video and laughing and all, but the lyrics they are numb to pain and whatnot, and
But
the
I don't-
visual is like कि they are having fun.
But I don't understand how are you laughing? I
अरे
think
that time I was laughing कि वो लोग पेंट कर रहे थे वॉल पे और she was standing like that, ऐसा.
अच्छा मतलब
हाँ,
बेसिकली यू
that-
फाउंड इट क्यूट.
yeah.
तुमने ध्यान नहीं दिया बिकॉज एक्चुअली इस वीडियो में बहुत कुछ एक
हाँ,
टाइम पे
अरे
हो
नहीं,
रहा था.
अचानक से वो कट सीन हुआ and she was crying and I was
लव सिक गर्ल्स, आई मीन टाइटल से ही पता लग रहा है कि यू नो दे टॉकिंग अबाउट relationships that you've been in but they which were bad, like
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जब मैंने क्या कहते हैं ये टाइटल देखा, आई वाज लाइक कि दे विल बी लाइक कि दे आर लव सिक गर्ल्स, मतलब दे आर क्या कहते हैं लुकिंग फॉर लव, बट इट वाज
हाँ तो
something-
वो
yeah.
lyric में बोलता है ना
हाँ.
कि we are the love sick girls but then but I'm still looking for love
एंड यू नो व्हाट, मुझको ये लग रहा है गाना, दिस सॉन्ग इज मतलब रोड ट्रिप पे अगर कोई ऐसा गर्ल गैंग, तुम लोग जैसा गर्ल गैंग ऐसा जाए, जो भी अगर, एंड द बीट्स तो वैसे भी कोई भी वाइब कर ही सकता है, लेकिन मुझको पता नहीं कि रोड ट्रिप वाला वाइब आता है जो व्हेन ऑल द फ्रेंड्स यूनाइट, है
फ्रेंड
ना,
वाले म्यूजिक वीडियोस से.
हाँ, all friends unite and they play this song and just let themselves go. Who was that girl की जो pink hair था?
Rosie.
Yeah, she is my favorite अभी तक.
So he has a bias also now.
Oh, what is bias?
The bias is basically your one favorite. So her
Nice.
name is Rose,
Rosie.
but you can call her Rosie because
Rosie.
everyone calls her lovingly Rosie.
Okay.
What else do you have to say? What do you have to say about the rap sequence, about the music video, costume, everything?
Rap sequence was good, but I think कि the main जो USP था इस song का was the beats and the visuals. Obviously पता नहीं visuals तो ऐसे थे कि I was not looking at the lyrics or listening. Sometimes था कि मैं बस visual, जैसे मैं हंस रहा था visual देख के and the lyrics were something
And
else.
also, it's a very colorful video. Actually,
Yeah.
Lovesick Girls is a
Lovesick
very colorful
Girls.
video. So a little bit about Blackpink Girls. They are formed by YG Entertainment,
YG.
which is one of the biggest entertainment companies of South Korea.
Okay.
So the thing with K-pop
Like
groups.
T-series. We have T-series.
Oh God.
What?
Tell us in the comments below. T-series versus YG Entertainment.
No, I know one more entertainment, big hit entertainment or
Yeah,
something.
Big Hit Entertainment. That is
Ah.
BTS's company.
So that would be the biggest entertainment company in Korea, I guess. कि नहीं?
Yeah, like top 4. So
Okay, they are top 4.
yeah.
Like T-series,
then-
कुछ भी बोलो, T-series the biggest music company ना in India.
हाँ, I
हाँ,
think so.
तो वैसा I am comparing.
Oh, अच्छा हाँ. तो South Korea में these 4 companies are known to be the biggest. SM Entertainment, YG Entertainment, JYP Entertainment, Big Hit Entertainment.
Okay.
They are trained and everything. They are trained for years and years. Like मतलब अगर आपको आइडल बनना है तो कोई आप कंपनी में से ऑडिशन देते हो या कोई कंपनी का बंदा आपको स्काउट करता है.
Well, first of all, you do the audition or get recognized.
Yeah.
Then you get trained. Then you will be put in a group.
Yes.
And then you will be trained with that group.
Yes.
Then you will be given obviously the roles जो rapper and vocalist.
Sometimes our artists go through 10 years of training because they join a company at a very young age. Some
Okay.
join a company at the age of like 11 years old, 12 years old.
तुम क्या करी थी 11 साल में?
पता नहीं. तुम क्या कर रहे थे ज्ञान?
मुझको क्या पता?
If you had something to say to Black,
Blackpink, I think before the video also it was my favorite group.
With the limited knowledge that
With
he
the
had.
limited knowledge and couple of photos. आर्टिकल जो अपने आर्टिकल में K-pop आई इंडिया आर्टिकल में जो भी हम लोग ने डाले वैसे मैंने देखा होगा.
So how are you feeling? पहला reaction video हो गया.
हो गया. अभी और कब
Are you
होगा?
excited for next groups and
Obviously.
everything? So next, let's do a boy group next time, है ना?
Boy.
Because ये वाला girl group
Let's
है.
do couple of girl group. हाँ.
Girl groups. ठीक है. Let's ask the audience. then.
हाँ तो कौन सा और या फिर एक कर सकते ब्लैकपिंक फिर से कर सकते हैं. मेरा वोट तो है उसके साथ. अगर और भी कोई गर्ल ग्रुप हो आपको लगता है
मतलब
इफ यू हैव एनी अदर.
We just started this journey of fanboy conversion and this guy is already hooked on Blackpink. Anyway, mera video, I'm taking over now. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let us know in the comments below which other groups should we react to. Girl groups, boy groups, solo artists. Solo artists भी होते हैं.
Oh. अच्छा गन्नम स्टाइल ना. सोलह ही वाज सोलह.
हाँ, Psy
Psy,
Gangnam Style.
Psy.
He is a solo artist.
He's a
Like
solo
he's still
artist.
active. Yes. So please let us know in the comments below and hopefully धीरे धीरे ये अपने comfort zone से और आएगा. And
I'll try be more expressive because I'm not.
Anyway, and thank you for joining us on this journey. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Tap the bell icon.
Bell icon. Put it on the all notification wala thing.
And yes, see you
Bye.
in the next video. Bye.